Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you how to solve the additional maths for SPM exam. So as you know, we are now in new format. Alright, so I try to prepare the exam question that looks like the new format. So basically when you look at the section A, you have to answer all the question, and the question are actually quite simple. So you can actually just get the answer by just a few steps. Example like this. You are given log base A 5 equal to B expressed in terms of B for log A 25. So log A 25 is actually log A 5 squared, right? So then you apply the power law, it becomes 2 log A5. So since the log A5 was given B, so the answer just 2B. Alright, so you have to show the proper step, and it's just 2 marks, maybe 1 marks. Okay, so let's B log, this one is A. For B, log 5A, how to express log 5A in terms of B given log A5. If you know that given one is in terms of the base A, so of course we will focus to the base A. We change base to log base A. So after you change a base, you expect the up one. We say this is an up one. So the A, it will be A here, and the 5 will be down, right? So log A is 1, log A5 it was given B, so it's log AA over log A5. So we have solved 2 questions. The first one it was 2B, and then the second one is 1 over B. And then for the C, log A 315, there is a multiply 3125 times, so it become plus in product law, multiply become plus. So this one we have to express A5 to the power of 5, and this is 1, and this one is the power, so we have to bring to in front, it become 5 log A5. 5 log A5 is 5B, right? Log A5 is actually given by the question, which is B. So our answer can be in terms of number and B. Alright, so this answer is 5B plus 1. Alright, so that is how you answer for question number 1 for paper 1. Alright, so I have shared with you first question. For final exam, maybe you have to answer paper 1 and paper 2 like this. Alright, okay, let's see. Simplify the rationalizing the denominator. Simplified by rationalizing the denominator. So when we see this one is actually quite easy. You can times with the 2 third 3, or just third 3 will do, up and down, 2 third 3. So finally you get 2 third 3 over 4 third 3 and third 3. Third A, you get A, right? So third 3 times third 3, you get third 3 square, remember? And then because third, it means power half, right? Power half and the square cancel out, so that means you will get just the number here, 3. Alright, just 3 only, no square. So we just write 4 times 3, right? These 2 will give you 3. When you multiply these 2, it will produce 3. So then you simplify this one 2, so the answer is 3 over 6. Alright, so that is the answer, which is simplest form. Okay, so this is quite simple, right? I think you can do. Third is quite easy. Alright, so the answer is just 3 over 6. Okay, so let's proceed to question number 2. For simplify for indices, it's considered very easy for you, right? So be careful when you do indices. You have to make sure you focus to the small number there, right? Okay, let's say we always write the 1 times 2, don't forget. Then times x. Sometimes we use dot, 4 times 2 dot. It's easy to write dot than you write multiply, because multiply sometimes you will read as x, you see, because we have the x here, 3x 5. Or you don't want to write like this also can. I mean, you don't want to write multiply, just write closer. Okay, so let's see. Now we want to simplify. It becomes 2 and then x 8 y 6, right? Okay, now we need to make sure the number group them, x 5 and then y 1, right? So we are going to simplify. If you want to put the bracket like this, okay, fine, no problem. Okay, so finally is 4 over 3. Okay, let me change to then x 5 down there, right? So we will actually just use the law of indices. 5 minus 8 minus 5 will be 3, right? 8 minus 5 will be 3, y minus 6 minus 1 will be 5. So the answer will be 4 over 3, x 3, y 5, right? So that is the best answer. Or you can write like this, 4x y 5 over 3 also can. Alright, so then we proceed to the next one. So for this one, question number 3, the variable x and y are related by equation y equal to 10 to the power of qx. So we need to, this is a non-linear equation, so we need to make it linear by taking log base 10. So let's take log base 10. So if I take log base 10, I will take both sides and apply the law. So it's log 10 y equal to log 10. This is log 10 10 multiply become plus log qx, and this is the power you need to bring to in front, right? Okay, so finally we need to rearrange so that it looks gradient form. So this is a c, right? So the x, normally we will write log 10q in front, then the x should be to the right of the constant. You get what I mean? Log 10 10 is 1, so this is m is a constant, this is x, this is c. So we don't actually like you to put the x in front, or make sure is follow the order. So okay, our answer is log 10y equal to log 10q and then x plus 1. All right, okay, so yeah, your question is linear law, but you have to apply logarithm. Then finally you have to find the value of p and q. Okay, how to find value p and q? We have to use a graph. Okay, that means the intercept here is c, right? We're having c here. C is a straight line cutting the y-axis, so we can write 0p, and we always work out the gradient is p minus negative 1 over 0 minus 3. So the answer is p plus 1 over negative 3. That is the m. Okay, p plus 1 over negative 3. So now we will compare. So that means this is a c and our c is p, therefore the p is 1, and the gradient is, just now our gradient, our gradient is p plus 1 over negative 3. So p plus 1 over negative 3, but if from the equation is the gradient, it was given log 10q, right? Okay, so log 10q. So we have any other point on the line beside this? Okay, so let's solve our m, because we have the p value, right? 1 plus 1 over negative 3, so it's 2 over negative 3. Then only we can solve this, right? We're going to solve the q, right? The log 10q is the m, and our m is equal to negative 2/3, right? Negative 2/3. So we are going to equate them. Log 10q, let me write down over here. So log 10q is equal to negative 2 over 3. That means q is 10 to the power of negative 2 over 3. And if you press a calculator, your q should be 0.2154. This answer must be in 4 significant figure, right? So this is quite challenging. Okay, so I have solved the equation of straight line, okay, for linear log. Now let's proceed to this one. For this